Hey everybody, it's Bradley Mayer Harman. I hope you're doing good. I met you at the Banff Western Connection conference, which is why you're getting this email. I want to introduce myself again and leave you with 2 points by the end of this video. For starters, I'm a director on the Ontario Real Estate Association, the past president of the Brampton Real Estate Board, and I work on the west side of Toronto. Real estate is an interesting career and our industry seems to be changing fast in some ways, but also seems to stay the exact same in others, which makes our conferences that much more important so we can learn to decipher between the two. From my time serving our membership, regionally and provincially, I truly believe the value of these conferences can only be realized if the ideas and relationships made at them are acted on after you're back into your day-to-day routine. So, I have 2 asks for you today. Anytime you have a client who wants to buy or sell commercial or residential real estate property in Southern Ontario, please think of Brad. If I can't do it, I know someone who can. Number 2, join me at the Ontario Real Estate Association's Realty Conference in February 2020 in Niagara Falls. It's a fantastic conference. You're going to earn and you're going to learn so much, and it's my personal guarantee that you're going to get the value you deserve from it. I hope we can connect online, and in the meantime, I look forward to seeing you at Niagara Falls in 2020. I wish you and your family love and prosperity, and I can't wait to connect with you on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Peace. Have a great day.